Hey guys, it's Osby from Rough Country. Today we're going to check out the installation of our 09 to 14 Ford F-150 two-wheel drive suspension lift kit. To begin the install, remove all four wheels. Remove the stock skid plate. Then remove the electronic power assist steering plugs. Loosen and remove the tie rod and brake line brackets from the knuckle. Remove the brake caliper from the rotor. Remove the rotor, followed by the dust shield. Remove the ABS wire from the bearing assembly. Loosen the upper and lower ball joints and then remove the knuckle from the vehicle. Remove the sway bar link nut, then remove the lower strut bolt. Loosen the lower control arm bolts and then remove the lower control arm from the vehicle. Loosen the upper strut nuts and then remove the strut from the vehicle. Remove the stock knuckle from the bearing assembly and then install the new Rough Country knuckle to the bearing assembly. Loosen and remove the sway bar from the vehicle. Install the new rear crossmember. Then install the new front crossmember. Install the sway bar drop brackets. Reinstall the lower control arms into the new crossmembers. Tighten down the upper crossmember bolts. Install the supplied studs into the strut spacers. Then install the strut spacers onto the struts. Loosen and remove the brake lines from the upper control arm mount, and then reinstall using the supplied brake line drop brackets. Reinstall the strut. Reattach the sway bar to the sway bar end links and then install the sway bar to the sway bar drop brackets. If the brake caliper bolts are too big to fit in the knuckle, drill out the holes to allow for fitment. Install the new knuckle to both the lower and upper ball joints. Reinstall the ABS wire to the bearing assembly. Reinstall the dust shield followed by the rotor. Reinstall the brake caliper to the rotor. Reattach the brake lines to the knuckle. Reattach the tie rod to the knuckle. Plug in the electronic power assist steering plugs. Moving to the rear, loosen and remove the emergency brake cable from the driver's side frame mount. Remove the lower and upper shock bolts and then remove the stock shocks from the vehicle. Loosen and remove the brake line assembly on the inner driver's side frame rail. Then reinstall using the brake line extension bracket on the frame. Remove the factory U-bolts. Install the supplied rear block. Then install the supplied rear U-bolts. Install the new shocks. To install the new emergency brake bracket to the frame mount, measure from the rear 1 inch and 5/8 and from the bottom measure up 1 inch and 3/8 and mark a hole to be drilled. Drill out the hole and then install the new bracket as shown. Reinstall the emergency brake cable to the new bracket. If you're interested in a kit like this for your Ford F-150, be sure to check us out at www.roughcountry.com. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, and follow us on Twitter. From Rough Country, I'm Osby, and we'll see you next time.